Today we're going to see how to replace a board into an Az200 controller unit. So, first thing is open the casing. If you have this mold with the back with kind of round, all you need to do is take one screw on each side. This one at the back and this one at the back too. So once those two screws are removed, basically open it like that. If you have the older mold, you need to undo two screws underneath on this side, two screws underneath on the other side, and two screws at the back. If you open the casing on the older model, you get the exact same thing inside. So that's the board you need to replace. So first thing is make sure you have the right version. You can know the version looking at the EPROMs right there. If you look on the sticker, you should see the version. One other way to find out would be to hit System 339, and you see the version on the display right there. So always make sure that you replace the board with the same version. First thing, remove the power. Also, you might want to make sure that you notice where every wire is connected to. So if you're not good at that, I suggest you take a picture before. So you gently pull them off, one by one. Also, you need to remove this right here. That's the Dallas board, which is the key. Remove this right here as well. Now, to remove the board, you have 7 screws, one on each corner. And 3 in the middle, one there, and one over here. Once those 7 screws are removed, you can lift the board, remove the connection for the activator ring. You might find some screws there too. Also, you might want to remove this bracket right here to set it on the new board. So it's just removing those 2 hexagonal screws right there. Remove the bracket and set it on the new board. So let's put the board back in place. Make sure that the holes for the screws fit. I'd like to start with the middle one usually. And then you put back every connector where it belongs. So this one right here, this one underneath. And always finish with the power. Now, once you replace the board, you need to initialize it. To do that, you remove the jumper where it's written JP4. So you remove this jumper right here. You power off. Power back on without the jumper. Hit POS. Put the jumper back on. Power off, and then power back on. Make sure you got no garbage on the display. And in case you need to set its address, it's system 316. Enter, backspace, and let's say you want to set it to number 3. Number 3, enter. POS. And now you're good to write the program back to unit number 3.